Okay, we're going to start working with Tableau Desktop. As you may know, Tableau comes with different versions. You can download the Tableau Desktop version or work in the Tableau Online or server. The main difference between Tableau Online and Tableau Server is that server is for companies using the Tableau servers, and they may have to pay more money than using Tableau Online. Okay, so if you are an individual like you and me working with some information for a research or a client, I recommend using Tableau Online or Tableau Desktop. Okay, the difference between Tableau Online and servers, once again, is that Tableau Online is for individuals, and you share the CPU computer power of your own device with the Tableau servers. Instead, if you use Tableau server, companies can storage all of their information in the cloud. Besides that, you can work with Tableau Desktop that is totally saved into your computer. Okay, so I recommend you trying to use Tableau Desktop or Tableau Online. So let's suppose we need to start with the project. So see how here on the new button you can click on workbook, and then it will open a new tab with the connection to date. Okay, disregard this first option here because it comes with the first time you download Tableau. Go to instead to files and then upload from computer. Okay, see how from here you can upload a XLS file or CSV file. Okay, remember that we already have here all of your files, and we are going to work with the historic data trips with the last month, December 2021. Okay, then when you click on one time on the data, just open and wait until the CSV is uploaded. Once the information is uploaded, we are going to start working with a few calculations on Tableau. Remember that in order to upload this info, you only need to select the CSV data. Okay, so once the database has been uploaded, see how we can here to the left have all of the variables coming from the spreadsheet. Okay, and let's check the spreadsheet once again. Remember that this is the 2021 December DB trip data. And see how here we have on the first row the variables name, right ID, right double type, started at, ended at, and so on. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 columns. And see how we have here the same columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and latitude, start latitude in another type of data. Remember that this is geospatial data. Okay, so it must be here in like a planet. It means that the data is by default is data information about the position of a point in a map. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the same variables than we have in the spreadsheet. Okay, once you realize that you have the same variables, you need to check, for example, if the type of information is accurate. Like, for example, we have here these two started at and ended at in a date type, okay, the format date. So we have here the same, okay? When you upload the database, Tableau automatically convert this information in a proper way, okay? And all of the rest of the information, the rest of the columns, variables, are just text, okay? That's why you have an ABC here. It means that the type of format or data is text, okay? This calendar means that it is a date. So because of we don't have here numbers in order to, for example, get average or statistics, we don't have here the format number, okay? If not, you can convert the data type into number, okay? The only numbers we have is the latitude and longitude. So those kind of data are made like a map information, okay? So let's create a table, okay? So as you can see here, we have the member casual is the variable I selected in order to create the table. If you are wondering how to put this here, see how with the drag and drop uh, features you can start creating a table, okay? Let's suppose you need to calculate a table with the amount of members by type, okay? So we are going to select the variable first, click, drag and drop, okay? Doing this is the same if you need to go back here at the top left, click on the undo arrow, and you can go back to the previous change, okay? It is the same, clicking here, hold your fingers in the left button of your mouse and drag and drop here in rows, okay? So in order to start calculating automatically to the database, for example, an average or a total, or for example, counting the number of casual members, you need to work with this part here, okay? The below part is to calculate the different variables statistics. So if you click here on measure values, double click, okay, remember double click here, you will get the statistics for the different variables, okay? And let's suppose that we are going to delete for now the latitude and longitude because we don't need to work with this. So if you right click here on the title of the column, you can exclude each of those columns, okay? Right click on exclude and you can take out the different variables, okay? So we have here the table we want, but as you can see, it is missing the total, okay? So the Tableau software calculated that we have 69,000 casual members, okay, and 177,000 members, okay. Remember that this come from this spreadsheet, okay. In order to calculate the totals, we can go here to the analytics tab and then double click on total. Okay, see how automatically it pop up the grand total. So we have here 247,000 rows. Okay, and remember that going back to the file, to the spreadsheet, we have 247,541 in total. Okay, so in this way, you can realize that Tableau calculated well this amount. Okay. In case you want to, for example, show here instead of numbers, percentages of the grand total, okay, you can click here and go to quick table calculation, and then you can, for example, calculate the percentage of total. See how the number converted into a percentage. Okay, so 28% of members or riders are casual, and 71.83% are actually members. So, for example, if you want to here on this sheet or table, if you want to name it or change the name of the sheet, um, hovering over the sheet one name and clicking on the arrow, you can edit, hide, or format the title. Okay, so we are going to edit in order to put the sheet name. Okay, here, um, type of rider. Okay, see how you can change the size and the type of leather. Okay, and besides that, for example, insert some other sheets here into the title. Okay, we are going to leave it that way. Besides that, you can, for example, add a new sheet by going to the upper left side and clicking here on the new worksheet, new dashboard, or new story options. And the same options will be located here above, below, sorry, here on new worksheet, new dashboard, and new story. Okay, if I want to create a new worksheet, just click on sheet 2. Okay, remember that we were working on sheet 1. If you click with the right button there, you can rename the sheet as type of rider. Okay, and see how it is not the same the sheet name than the table or work name. Okay, we are going to here use on the sheet 2 another calculation in order to create a table.